Hello cuties, welcome back to my channel. What's going on everybody? I hope you guys are doing well and I am back with another haul video, and today's video is going to be about ethnic wear, which is going to be Raksha Bandhan special from Myntra. So guys, I haven't ordered just chudidar set or kurti set. I have kept a huge variety for you guys so that you can pick your style and place your order and just relax for Raksha Bandhan. And guys, all the dresses are all under rupees 1000. So without wasting any more time, let's start with the video. So starting with the very first outfit, I have this very pretty baby pink color kurti which has this embroidered thread work on this, which looks very pretty. The color in itself is so beautiful. It has this thread work, it has this lace work, and it is sleeveless. Also, it is pure cotton material kurti. It has this embroidery throughout the kurti, but at the back it is plain, and in this it had a lot of color options, but I went for this baby pink color because it looked so cute. So people who just want to be simple and on Raksha Bandhan you can wear this kurti with white pants, wear your heavy earrings, and you're sorted. You don't have to stress on your outfit. So that's the first one, and I'm in the size small. Fits me okay, like it is a little bit tight on the waist, but overall fits me perfectly, and this costed me for just rupees 899. Moving on to the next ethnic wear, I have this very pretty cotton purple color printed kurti, which is a short kurti, and it has this nice sleeves which has this ruffles over here, and at the back it has this nice cutout, and at the end it has this nice print. I love the print on this. I love the color, and then it comes with a dhoti pant which is so unique. Like, it has this nice white color pure cotton material dhoti pant, and it is proper dhoti. Like some dhoti is like, it is different, like they say dhoti pant but it doesn't feels like dhoti. But as you can see the cuts and all, it is proper dhoti style pant which is also pure cotton material. Fits me perfectly. This is in the size small. For this also you can style with nice oxidized earrings, nice kadas, and your Raksha Bandhan ready, guys. This is also nice lightweight, easy breezy outfit for Raksha Bandhan. So this costed me for 689 rupees only, guys, for such a pretty dhoti pant with kurta. It looks so damn pretty. You can accessorize as you like. If you want to keep it simple, just wear this and you are sorted. So moving on to the next outfit, I have this very pretty kurta with sharara, and I love the print on this. I love the embroidery on this. It is sleeveless. This is also pure cotton material, and it has this nice strings with some tassels so that you can tie it. And this is a short kurti. I love the color, guys. It's so pretty, so decent, looks very pretty. And the work also, it has thread work and mirror work. And then it comes with this dupatta which has this gota patti, looks very pretty again. So it's a blue and white color dupatta, and then it comes with this sharara pants. So these are the pants with the same print, looks very pretty, and it is elasticated. So I'm in the size small for this one as well. Fits me perfectly. I do not have to alter and all. On this also you can wear nice chanbalis, gold and white chanbalis, and also you can wear nice bangles because it's a sleeveless dress, so you can wear nice 6 8 bangles and it's going to look very very pretty. So this is also a good option for Raksha Bandhan, and this costed me for 999 rupees. So moving on to the next dress, I have this very pretty black color sleeveless kurti. It is a plain simple kurti and the neck is so damn pretty. It has this buttons and this is also pure cotton material. It has slits on the side. It is a straight kurti, nothing fancy. Then it comes with this black pants which is a palazzo. This is also nice cotton material which is elasticated on the waist and it is plain in the front. So this is also very very comfortable. And then guys, it comes with this dupatta. So it has this nice printed dupatta with it is kind of tissue cloth. I love the print and all. I love everything about this dupatta, and just because of this dupatta the entire outfit looks so nice and so colorful. It is a plain black kurta and palazzo, but the dupatta is amazing because this dupatta is making the dress stand out. So this is a very nice option for Raksha Bandhan. So you can be comfortable for Raksha Bandhan in this also because it's very very lightweight, and this dupatta is also very very light but looks amazing. On this also you can wear nice heavy earrings, you can wear gold bangles, and you're sorted guys. You can style this in your own way. Also you can wear this dupatta with your other plain outfits like white kurti and white palazzo, and this dupatta is going to look amazing again. So this costed me for 980 rupees. So moving on to the second last dress, I have this very pretty beige color embroidered kurti, which is a simple kurti with a v-neck, and just look at the embroidery. It has this tiny flowers which looks very very pretty. I love the red piping on this, which is like looking so bright on the dress, and it is 3/4 sleeves, and at the end of the sleeves also it has this nice embroidered flowers. This is also a pure cotton material. It is a straight kurti, nothing fancy again. It comes with this plain pants which is beige in color, and at the end of the bottoms it has this embroidery. This is also elasticated. It has pockets, and also one second guys, it doesn't has pockets. So yeah, it doesn't has pockets, but the quality is amazing. It's going to be comfortable. And guys, the dupatta, the dress is simple but the dupatta looks so pretty. This is also like a tissue material dupatta, very lightweight, and also it has this small tassels, very tiny, but gives nice details to the dress. And the dupatta is so damn pretty. Again, you can wear this dupatta with different outfits, and yeah guys, you can style this also with heavy earrings and some finger rings, and you're sorted for Raksha Bandhan. So this is also in the size small, fits me perfectly, and this costed me for 999 rupees. So guys, we have reached to the end of the video, and I'm going to show you the last piece, which is this green and pink color embroidered maxi dress, and it has this nice thread work and embroidery in the front, and the sleeves are like nice bell sleeves, and at the end of the sleeves it has this nice small tassels which looks even more prettier. And it is a long gown. It has so much of flare, like just look at that. And at the end of the gown also it has this tassels, like off-white color tassels, which looks very very pretty. So guys, this is the most comfortable outfit from the entire haul for Raksha Bandhan. Like it is so easy breezy and flowy. The material is amazing. This is also a pure cotton material, and again I'm in the size small for this one, and this just costed me for 599 rupees, guys, for such a pretty gown. Like I love it. On this also you can wear nice heavy earrings, you can make a nice bun, and you're sorted for Raksha Bandhan. So that's the pretty outfit. I love this. This is the most comfortable, guys. Believe me, this is the most comfortable. So guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you like the ethnic wear dresses. They are so pretty, quality wise, style wise, everything is like 10 on 10, and they are like very festive, appropriate for Raksha Bandhan. You can wear them and be comfortable because they are so damn comfortable and very nice. You can accessorize them as you like. So the link for all of the dresses will be in my description box. You can go there, click on the link and place your order. And if you like my video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on my Instagram account. Go and support me over there as well. And I'm going to see you all super soon with another video. Until then, bye guys.